Today, welcome to Jermaine Gamer TV, and this is Jermaine, and today it's not on gaming video, but you can see I have here a paper full of questions about iOS. This is a question and answer. I will question it. Who question it, I will answer it. So today, let's now start with the first. This is what he said last time. I cannot say it to you, this one. I cannot show you properly, so he said with an baliktad C with a dot. So he said, please Jermaine, let me in the list, please. So maybe in the version 2.0 you will be now there in the list. So meet me in school on Tuesday. Nice video, thanks. I met him in school just last Tuesday. So he said Frederick, who is the cheetah in the subscriber, but it's okay. Hey Frederick, let's talk to school and you Jeremy. So we talked. Also, I subscribe you. Yes, he subscribed me, really. Let's see. Hi Jermaine, can I am Pius, my classmate from Marista Rafal? Yes, my classmate. And he said, nice Roblox, can you play it in computer so I can subscribe to you again? Nice video. So maybe, sorry for Pius, I cannot play in computer because do you know that my computer is broken. So thank you, please subscribe and hit the like button. So this is save the date for the and another trailer. Just save the date for the new in September. Wait for this. Wait for this. In September, the Jermaine Gaming YouTube. The videos you like is now requested. So tomorrow I will be having my family day. So we'll meet with Pius really and having some really YouTuber talks. So that will be not an episode. So thank you, please subscribe.